futures and forwards counterparty risk again. So what happens is futures, since they are traded on the exchange, what happens is in the futures, the contract is not directly between the buyer and the seller. The buyer is, for the buyer, the counterparty is the clearing house of the exchange. For the seller also, the counterparty is the clearing house of the exchange. So the exchange will ensure that both the buyer and seller honor their commitment. Whereas forwards are contracts which are not on the exchange. They're directly between the buyer and seller. So either the buyer or the seller both might have an incentive not to honor their part of the contract. That is known as counterparty risk. And that is why futures are much more popular than forwards. There is no other person who can take care of counterparty risk in forwards, because they are over the counter exchange, over the counter products. In stock forwards, and there is no swaps in stocks, normal individual traders are not allowed to trade.